Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha, benar kam, daka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but hila ban lagyu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riwe kandai pra.
Uba Preston Tensong ubulong sembut menteri rangba jong kesorkar jela haka arp nyutrik naitung arja apulai ulai thu bu ladap ekran berkinong yalam jong sengking atiar nyutrap National Liberation Council kibalawan rung sepok jela ben penbet ya kejing ekran yesuk bar kesorkar haka beidai bak jingdon jong Riewshim Kabu ban sami Shithi Dawa Pisa haka Kyrteng jong keseng haka jing ekran begelap petai kubur uba Preston ulai thu bak kesorkar bak ketrak Pulit gilale yala ke jong kamram ban ketongi Riewshim Kabu Kiba le ai kam haka Kyrteng jong Hnlc hadian bagi nang alam jong ni ka kenhun kila kentai war bagi dekat keseng kimdai satya ki bedon kiti haka ni ka kam.
In fact, before the formal talks happened, I had also personally met those leaders from Hnlc, and then we already discussed about all these issues. Because see, nowadays it's so easy even to issue a duplicate letterhead. And I think just few months back, it happens where some people they even receive the demand note. I discussed with them. I said you need to also be serious. You need to also take action in case if anybody uses your letterhead, even without the consent of the leaders from the Hnlc, and they agreed to do that. And I'm telling you, recently also some of the members, they came out openly that no, it is not the Hnlc who issued the demand note. Well, we see, as I said to you again, from the government side, the police are on the job to find out who are the culprits, what is their intention, is it to derail the peace talk between the government of India, state government and the Hnlc or not. But I'm telling you, I'm so happy till this moment that I'm talking to you. Hnlc also are serious about the talk, the peace talk that has just happened. One meeting. Then again, from now on, we will have more meetings. And I'm very sure, very soon, we'll be able to resolve and to reach to a final conclusion. If you talk about donation, when you talk about donation, I don't know on what basis. If you issue letter, I think that is not fair. Maybe you only, meet through friends, this, that, okay, whoever wanted to give donation, that's an issue. But as I said to you, now since the peace talk started, I personally feel everything should stop. Let us stop. And then, because from both the government, central and state government, we are serious, we wanted to complete the talk at the earliest possible. And now the ball is in their court. We would like to request once again the Hnlc leaders to be more serious, walk out, and we are waiting from them also. So a few issues where they wanted to, put forward in the next talk. So that also we are open to it, and then I think I'm very sure they are also serious about it. But can you tell me, do you have any kind of operation? Where was that operation? Let me just tell you one thing. I have not seen even a single operation made. The time when we started reaching to an agreement for peace talk, no such operation has happened. And therefore, I've seen the sincerity from the Hnlc leaders, where they did not do except that fake, so-called fake demand note sent, I don't know by who, but still the police is on the job to find out about the fact of this fake demand note distributed, circulated to few section of people.